Man, I'm watching the Grammys as we speak, man.
What's going on? Here's another video. Not gonna get into all the fucking fancy credits and all that shit. So I ain't got fucking time. Cause I'm hurting like a motherfucker. I installed some new door sills, custom door sills. I'll post a link of where I got them at the bottom of the description, blah blah blah. They're about 45 bucks on eBay. You can email the seller and he will customize them and make them however you like or whatever. I got mine. They didn't have BladeRunner font when I ordered it, but after talking to him and showing him examples, they were able to do it. So if you have a particular font that you want, you can show them examples and they should be able to do it for you, hopefully, like they were able to do it for me. Anyways, I'm going to show you what it looks like now. Let me turn off these lights. It's gonna get dark, bitch. Woo! Look at this shit. You can see my screen in there. Hasn't turned off yet. Alright, here we go. It does a little animation. It's pretty fucking sick if you ask me. I love it. I get all kinds of comments about it. If you want one, hit these guys up. 45 bucks, seriously, you can't go wrong, man. This is for the S550 Mustang. However, I'm pretty damn sure that they can make them for many other fucking cars. It is not something specific to any car. Anyways, continue to watch and be amazed. 1M2's EcoBoost, that's my alias name online. If you guys don't fucking follow me on Instagram, it's 1M2's EcoBoost. Y'all better be fucking following me already. If you're watching this damn fucking lame, boring ass channel where I upload a video every like fucking 5 months. Sorry man, I got bad health. There's nothing else I can do about that shit. I try, but I can't fucking sit behind a computer anymore. It's just, it fucking kills me, man. Seriously. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how I fucking got the door sills off. I'm not gonna spend too much time on how I fucking did the whole installation because CJ Ponies has a video, a much better video than I can do in detail of what you need to do in order to get this shit done yourself. Oh fuck, I can't see shit. I almost tripped. Alright, fucking shit. Hold on.
3 weeks later.
So if you have an S550 Mustang, this harness here, there's usually a fucking cover. You fucking take it off. And there's a wire here. Let me see what color it is. It looks like it's purple and gray. So all you're going to do is tap into this purple and gray wire. And you're going to run one wire all the way to the left side, to the driver's side. And then the other one right here. And you just basically ground it right there. Shit, hold on 1 second. Damn it, I'm about to do too much fucking editing, which is what I did not want. Okay, I used these fucking pry tools. If you don't have any of these, use 2 flat fucking screwdrivers. It's the same shit. All you're going to do is stick them right underneath this shit, the door sill, and twist them like that, both of them. And that's gonna pop this shit up. And it has these little tabs that just pop up and off. And then underneath, on the bottom of this shit, there's some 3M tape or some shit. I don't know what it is, but I left it on the car. Okay, you can see the wire from the new door sill right there. Fuck, I gotta turn on the fan. I'm fucking sweating in my garage. It's already fucking hitting high 90s in Phoenix. Anyways, okay, that's pretty fucking much it, dude. You need to lift this up too. God damn fucking lights, man. This is gonna be the worst fucking video I've ever made. Lift this up and you run this right there. There's a little notch right there. Okay, that's where you fucking run it, and that's it, man. That is fucking, it is the easiest install you'll ever do, if you ask me. I mean, I say that I say that knowing that I looked up to see if there was any other install videos already done, and there was.
3 weeks later.
You know, if you follow my channel, you'll know that I have all kinds of shit, and I'm always messing with things, so I'm not done. I'm not 100% satisfied with my setup, so I don't put everything back as soon as I'm done, because I'm never done. Anyways, very easy. Again, these are probably most likely universal for any car. It doesn't have to be the s550 Mustang. It could probably be any Mustang, any Altima, any Focus, any 300S, whatever. You know what I'm getting at. You fucking get the point. You can't go wrong, man. 45 bucks, that's dope. Anyways, if you don't fucking know what @1M2's EcoBoost is, that's my Instagram. And if you watch my channel, you better be following me, for crying out loud. Please, support a brother. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all I have. Peace be with you. I love you for coming back and watching my shenanigans. Peace.